We're going to use the good old-fashioned definition of derivative as the limit as x goes to a of f of x minus f of a over x minus a. Notice that looks kind of like slope. Doesn't that kind of look like the equation of slope? Rise over run. And you're taking the limit as x gets closer to a. I'll let you watch some other videos about my deeper explanation of that. Basically, this is just algebraic manipulation, so let's just start writing these things out. So the limit, I'm going to say that f prime of 7, or the derivative at 7, equals the limit as x goes to 7 of f of x is 2 over x minus f of a is 2 over 7, because that's your a value, all divided by x minus 7. I'm just plugging in and now I'm simplifying. Let's simplify this thing over here, and then I'll plug it back in. That's going to be 2x, I'm finding common denominators up there, so 2x minus 14. Wait, no, that's wrong. Let me show my work up here so I don't make a mistake. I'm going to multiply this by 7 over 7, and I'll multiply this by x over x. So I get 14 minus 2x all over 7x, all divided by x minus 7. And then this thing right here is like x minus 7 over 1, so that really goes right here on the bottom when I flip it and multiply it. And then this up here is really, I'm going to factor out a negative 2, because then I'll get x minus 7. You see what happens? So that's really negative. This really equals the limit as x goes to 7 of negative 2 over 7x. I know I kind of did a lot of that work in my head and quickly scribble it out up there. And then what's the, now I can, right here I couldn't plug in 7 because I would get dividing by 0 and I can't do that. But here I can plug in 7 and I get negative 2 over 49. And that's your answer. If you don't believe me, take the derivative of 2 over x. What would that be? Well, it's 2x to the negative 1, which means it's negative 2x to the negative 2, which is negative 2 over x. And what was x? 7. When you plug in 7, what do you get? 49. There you go. Again, let's replay this, because that's the part that I probably lost you. No? You follow that?
2 over 7.
2 over, oh, where did I lose you? 2 over 7, because that's f of a. What's a? 7. So what's f of a? 2 over 7.
Got it.
That's where I plug that in.
Okay.
I'm just plugging in and using function notation. So back to how I did that right there. I had 14 minus 2x all over 7x all over x minus 7. Remember, x minus 7 is like x minus 7 over 1. So this turns into, this thing equals 14 minus 2x all over 7x times 1 over x minus 7. And then this thing right here, remember if you have a minus b, it's the same as negative b minus a. You can just basically factor out a negative 1. So I noticed, oh look, that's 7. If I factor a 2 out, that would be 7 minus x. Well, why don't I factor a negative 2 out? So that it's x minus 7, and those will cancel. And that's what I did, and that's how I got that right there.